We make the window of your dream with a lot of love so that the relationship between you and the window stays intact forever. We are Window Expert. Window Expert is renowned name in fenestration and premium windows manufacturing. Established in 2004 with our vast experience in the industry. With the capacity of 150 windows per day and a huge 40,000 square feet built-up production facility, we guarantee a timely delivery with best finish. Our 4,000 square feet display center with all the window types installed. We are Window Expert, fenestration professionals.